Hi, Amy Hunt here, home business expert. This video is going to teach you the Amazon seller that has a seller account on Amazon, how to edit a description, bullet points, title. I have looked all over the internet for that because I was having some problems with bullet points. And all I could find was how to change the HTML. It's not that hard. All you have to do is follow this video, comment below if you have any questions or needs, and I would try to address them. Thanks for watching. Alright, the first thing you want to do is sign into your Amazon account. Once you're there, you're going to go up to Inventory, Manage Inventory, Manage FBA Inventory. You're going to click on the item that you want to edit. Let's just edit this one. Once on your item information, you're going to get the product ID. You're going to highlight that, right click, copy. And then this is what Amazon doesn't like you to know. As you go down to contact seller support, you don't really get to contact seller support. It's really a help page. I don't know why they do that. Guess they're so inundated with problems, maybe. So then you click that and fix a product page. Once in the product page, you scroll down and you're going to click or right click. You're going to paste, and that's the number that we found right here that identifies your item. So once you do that, you click search. Oops. And it's going to show you a picture of the item you're working on. Select the one you want to work on. I'll work on this one. It's the same thing. It's just a different graphic. Choose what you want to fix. So I choose a product attribute. I want to work on the bullet points. I think bullet points are pretty important. And I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot this as well. Great to stabilize this fix. Spelling, water detector. Man, struggling. Alarm. Alright, so then once you do that, you can add another attribute, and then it'll give you a choice of what you want to work on or add. I'm going to delete that for now. Now, here's troubleshooting. If it does this, you scroll over Learn More, and it shows you what the problem is. So I have to go up here, and I have to take away the pound or the number sign, and it eliminate that, which means it's fine. You have to show proof that you have the authority to fix this on an Amazon product description. I am Sphinx Water Alarm.com. That's my website. I am CEO/owner. Okay. So then you come down here, fill in. This is already pre-filled. And you click your number if needed. You don't have to, and click send. So hopefully this helped you edit and fix any problems you have in your description on Amazon. If you have any comments or questions, please comment below in the area below, and subscribe to my channel if you have any more tips and tricks on the internet. Thanks for watching.